Due to posting a fair amount of pictures of my body yoddy online, I do tend to get a fair few interesting comments, like so. However, there was one that I got recently that was very peculiar. Can I eat your legs? You mean these legs? These legs? These legs? These little things? Well, honey, you better make a reservation because these are going to need more than one sitting. Are you going for some sort of world record? Are you just exceptionally hungry? Tell me, because I'm very intrigued. I've had many different messages of many different people wanting to do many different things to my legs. Eat them. Not one of them. My oh my, the internet is a wild, wild place.